One of the standout new features in the iOS 18.4 update is visual intelligence. So in this video, we're going to walk you through how to set up and start using this feature, which is compatible with your iPhone 15 or 16 Pro Max Plus iOS 18.4. Alright guys, so as I told you, first make sure your device is connected to internet. Now first open up settings, go to Apple Intelligence on Siri. Make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on. Now you might be prompted to put your iPhone to a power source for a couple of seconds. Just go ahead and plug it in. Now when it's done downloading, let's get out of here. And if you see an object or something, literally anything that you like, just press and hold on your camera button. Take a picture of that object. Now you can either search or ask about that object to ChatGPT. If you tap on the search button, Google will open up with the same type of products from Google, so you can find similar objects and maybe you can buy that from there. If you tap on ask, ChatGPT will open up and just go through the prompts to set it up with your visual intelligence. You can ask it literally anything, generate image and stuff, and even if you do nothing, ChatGPT will provide some information about that object. Now, if there is a book or text of any kind, you can just go ahead, take a photo of them. And as you can see, you can either summarize that page or those texts, or you can just tap on play as an audiobook and simply tap on this play button. ChatGPT will start reading that page as an audiobook. Now, apart from the camera button, if you want, you can set it as an action button. From settings, go to action button. Select visual intelligence in this list. And then whenever you click on this action button, visual intelligence will turn on. And apart from that, you can also get it on your control center. Just swipe down your control center. If you don't find it here, just tap on this plus icon, tap on add a control, scroll down, and under Apple Intelligence on Siri, simply tap on visual intelligence. It'll be added on your control center. And whenever you want, just go ahead, simply tap on this visual intelligence button to enable that. So this is how you can use this fantastic feature on your iPhone 16. Thanks for watching.